Hey, the most handsome guy in the Philippine Island. What's his name? What's his name?
King Jomar.
Ah, gapo.
King Jundel.
Ken! Pon! Pon!
Dip, dip, dip. I think I'm pulling.
What?
I think I'm pulling.
I'm pulling. And you?
Now what happened? I believe I can fly.
Shanghai? No video at all? Video me.
I will.
I will. Video me. Don't call me hippo anymore, ah.
Okay.
Oh. Just continue. Okay?
Yes.
Oh. Who's that? What did you say? Louder! Oh, it's very nice. Oh, it's very, very deep. It's like a deep blue sea, huh? Okay, good. Oh, he's coming. Oh.
I'm tired.
Oh, tapos na. Palpasekan. Okay, good. Bye-bye. Say bye.